household private home gymnasium. Helps you to keep relaxed from stressful life and work. Own this treadmill and exercise with it. You will lead healthier and happier life. Large and heavy-duty construction. High qualities driven by a 2.5 horsepower impulse max motor. Provide 18 inches by 50 inches big rubber running bell. 5 inches LCD Blu-ray display. Foldable design with built-in transport wheels for easy transport and storage. Considerable hidden iPad and a mobile phone holder. Adjustable speed levels from 0 to 11 miles per hour. 12 preset workout programs for your quickly access. Adjustable feet.